त्यो कसको कार हो? Whose car is that? Whose car is that? उहाँको साथी हो? Whose friend is he? Whose friend is he? यो कसको गिटार हो? Whose guitar is this? Whose guitar is this? कसको घर तिम्रो छेउमा छ? Whose house is across from yours? Whose house is across from yours? यो कसको हो? Whose is this? Whose is this? यो कसको पेन्सिल हो? Whose pencil is this? Whose pencil is this? कसको पालो हो यो? Whose turn is it? Whose turn is it? कसको आवाज हो? Whose sound is it? Whose sound is it? यो कसको बच्चा हो? Whose child is it? Whose child is it? कसको आँखा रातो छ? Whose eyes are red? Whose eyes are red? कसको निर्णय अन्तिम थियो? Whose decision was final? Whose decision was final? कसको समस्या हुनेछ? Whose problem will it be? Whose problem will it be? तिमी कसको प्रेमी? Whose boyfriend are you? Whose boyfriend are you? कसको चलचित्र थियो? Whose movie was it? Whose movie was it? कसको कुकुर बाहिर भोकिरहेको छ? Whose dog is barking outside? Whose dog is barking outside? यो कसको कोठा थियो? Whose room was this? Whose room was this? यो कसको पुस्तक हो? Whose book is this? Whose book is this? कसको जीवन खतरामा छ? Whose life is in danger? Whose life is in danger? यो आवाज कसको हो? Whose voice is this? Whose voice is this? कसको जिम्मेवारी हो? Whose responsibility is it? Whose responsibility is it? आजा कसको जन्मदिन हो? Whose birthday is it today? Whose birthday is it today? यहाँ कसको झंडा दिखाइएको छ? Whose flag is shown here? Whose flag is shown here? यो कसको विचार हो? Whose idea is this? Whose idea is this? कसको जीवन सिद्ध छ? Whose life is perfect? Whose life is perfect?